In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Then we need to head over to our profile. Once you are at your profile, tap right here at these three lines. Then get into your activity. Then get into recent searches. And that's where, if you got some search history, currently I have no search history here. However, if you got some, all you have to do is just tap and clear all to clear all that search history. However, that is just the first step, and after that we need to do the second. So we need to head over to our profile again. Once you are at your profile, tap at these three lines again. Then get into settings and privacy. After that, scroll down to the very bottom until you find help. Then tap at report a problem. Report problem without shaking. And then include and continue. Once it is done, in that text field we need to enter a text like, I'm just gonna dictate it. Please delete search suggestions when typing on my Instagram app. This is very annoying for me. Once it is done, all you have to do is just tap at send to send that report to Instagram support team, and hopefully they will fix search suggestions for your account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.